Active income stops when you stop working. Here's how to build streams that pay you around the clock. Tier 1. Easiest high-yield savings, CDs, dividend stocks. Low effort, lower returns. Tier 2. Moderate digital products, affiliate marketing, rental income. Tier 3. Advanced real estate portfolio, businesses that run without you. Move savings to high-yield account. 4 to 5% versus 0.01% equals $400 extra on $10,000. Buy dividend ETFs, VYM, SCHD 3 to 4% yield plus price appreciation. Series I bonds, inflation protected, 5% plus yield in high inflation periods. Create once, sell forever, ebooks, templates, courses, printables. Upfront investment, 20 to 100 hours to create, zero marginal cost per sale. Platforms, Gumroad, Etsy, Teachable, all take % of sales, no upfront fee. Reinvest passive income into more passive income streams. $1,000 per month passive, invest 50%, $500 per month, more streams repeat. The first $100 per month passive is the hardest. The next $1,000 is exponentially easier. Download my passive income tracker at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.